Do Filipinos view foreigners as walking ATMs? What advice would you like to give to foreigners so they will not be taken advantage of when it comes to money? Hi, I'm Lorie and welcome to the Fuentes Family Channel. Do Filipinos view foreigners as walking ATMs? Well, we will ask Filipinos themselves in Naga City, Bicol, Philippines, and get their opinions about these questions. So let's find out. Enjoy the interviews. What's your name and age?
Aimee po, I'm 20 years old.
Aimee?
Yes po.
Okay. Aimee, are you single or in a relationship?
Single po.
How long have you been single?
3 months?
3 months? Okay. Anyway, Aimee, do Filipinos view foreigners as walking ATMs?
I think no.
No.
Yes po.
Why do you think it's no?
Because
Dahil
po, siguro po, naninibago lang po sila sa mga taong nakikita nila like maputi, matangkad. Siguro po.
so for her, it's because maybe they're not just, na used to it, seeing if, other people that are white or foreigners. Okay. Do you feel there are some Filipinos that will take advantage of foreigners because all they see is money?
Yes.
May we know why? Why?
Because siguro yun na nakikita ko sa ibang tao
None.
or nakikita ko sa mga sa mga nag-aasawa po.
Oh. Yes, because that's what she saw from Filipinas that are married to foreigners.
Yes po.
What's your name and age po?
I'm Sara and I'm 24.
24. Okay. So, she's actually working here at Robinson.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, Sarah, do Filipinos view foreigners as walking ATMs?
For me, no.
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 Why no?
Kasi ako bilang babae, hindi ako tumitingin sa pera.
Oh, so for her, no, because she doesn't look at, money. But do Filipinos, not you, how about Filipinos, do you feel or do you think that Filipinos view foreigners as a walking ATMs?
Hindi lahat, pero yung iba, yeah.
Not everyone, but some of them, yeah. Okay. Do you feel there are some Filipinos that will take advantage to foreigners because all they see is money?
Siguro, yes.
Maybe yes. Okay. And what advice would you like to give to foreigners so they will not be taken advantage of when it comes to money?
Siguro kilalanin muna nila yung mga Filipina or Filipino bago sila mag-commit, bago sila magbigay, if willing sila magbigay ng kahit love or money. Basta.
So they have to know the person, the Filipino or the Filipina, before they commit or before they give, if they will give, right? What's your name and age?
My name is Janmina Mora and I'm 23 years old.
23. Are you studying?
Yes.
May we know what's your course?
BS Environmental Science.
Environmental. So you must love environment.
Yes. Maybe
Maybe. Anyway, are you single or in a relationship?
I'm single
How long have you been single?
since birth.
Since birth. Okay. Anyway, here's the question. Do Filipinos view foreigners as walking ATMs?
Yes.
May we know why you said yes?
Ano-ano ko lang man po, mga daog-daog ko sa naman sa mga friends ko, sa mga social media. Yan.
So it's based on what she heard from her friends and social media. I see. Okay, do you feel there are some Filipinos that will take advantage, to foreigners because all they see is money?
Maybe yes, maybe
Yes.
no.
Yes or no?
Both.
What message would you like to give foreigners so they will not be taken advantage of when it comes to money?
First, kilalanin na muna yung, kung
Yung Filipina.
Oo, kilalanin na muna una at wag muna magbigay ng mga materials na regalo.
So first is she said you have to get to know, or you have to know the Filipina first, and don't give any material things or anything. Don't give anything to the Filipina. And what's your name and age?
Sara, 21.
Are you what do you call it, single or in a relationship?
Single.
How long have you been single?
5 months.
5 months. Okay. Anyway, Sarah, um, do Filipinos view foreigners as walking ATMs?
I don't think all Filipinos view foreigners that way. I mean, there will always be some, but not all Filipinos. Not all Filipinos. Yeah.
How about you?
No.
No.
I mean, I can work on my own. I can provide for myself. So there is no such thing as meeting foreigners just to consider them as a walking ATM.
That's very beautiful. Okay. Do you feel there are some Filipinos that will take advantage of a foreigners because all they see is money?
Yeah, there will always be some people who will view foreigners as like that, like a walking ATM. But not everyone is actually like that.
Okay. Would you like to give advice to foreigners who are seeking a Filipina in the Philippines?
Yeah, well, Filipina are hardworking. They are so compassionate to their partners, especially in foreigners, in what we call maalaga. Yeah, I think having a Filipino girlfriend is okay then.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Maalaga means caring.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm just curious, would you date a foreigner?
Maybe.
I'll
Yeah.
take that as a yes. What's your name and age po?
I am Miss Wang, 50s.
Oh, Miss Wang.
Yeah,
How are you today, Miss Wang?
feeling good.
Feeling good. Okay. Mom, do Filipinos view foreigners as walking ATMs?
Oh, I don't think so because I'm not. I am not judgmental to others, but it's not good to pursue like that. I feel bad if some Filipina are like that, but for me, I'm not. I have a good job. I can provide my own. Oh, every Filipina should have job to provide their own, not seeking for foreigner to. You said what you said. It's not good and it's not nice for us.
Okay. But do you think there are some Filipinas that think foreigners or view foreigners as walking ATMs?
Maybe, but I cannot say because it's not my experience, but maybe others. I don't,
You don't
I
know.
can't really say.
Okay. Anyway, do you feel, ma'am, that there are some Filipinos that will take advantage, some foreigners because all they see is money?
Hmm, maybe because every country, every I know person can take advantage to anyone, but to those person, they must be they must be sharp if they are taking advantage. They must know before it will happen.
Yeah.
So the consequences is for both sides, not only for one side. Yeah.
Well, anyway, thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day.